My name is El Mooney, and I'm the junior class president. The rest of the junior class officers and I wanted to share with you what we've been baking throughout this quarantine. Please enjoy.
One thing that I have been baking over this quarantine is banana bread. The ingredients that I use to bake banana bread are half a cup of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 2/3 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup mashed bananas, and half a cup of sour cream. In a large bowl, cream butter, sugar, and vanilla well. Add eggs one at a time and mix until fluffy. Sift the dry ingredients and add them alternatively with bananas and sour cream to the butter mixture and add small amounts at a time. End with the dry ingredients. Pour the mixture into a bread loaf pan and bake at 350 degrees for 1 hour.
Hey guys, I'm Haley. I'm the junior class vice president, and something that I feel like everyone is doing nowadays is baking. So therefore, I'll be baking some oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I'll be doing a time lapse, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. So I started by preheating my oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I gathered all of my ingredients, which included 1 stick of softened butter, 1 egg, and then the cookie mix. I put them into a bowl and started to mix them until a soft dough forms. Then I lined my pan with foil and started to put teaspoons of dough on it and made sure that there were enough space in between. And then I put it in the oven for about 10 minutes. Hey guys, this is the finished product.
Hey guys, it's Tiani, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make an acai bowl. Honestly, I'm no expert at this, but all I use is an acai packet, frozen fruit, almond milk, and maple syrup.
I've been searching all my life for that long lost way.
Now that you're done blending everything together, you're going to grab a bowl and put everything inside. I just put a little bit of granola, peanut butter, and some honey on top.
I've been dreaming of her touch, her turquoise skin.
Hey guys, Shalia here, and I will be teaching you guys how to make BTS cake. So you will need 2 boxes of chocolate cake, 6 eggs, 3 cups of water, a cup of vegetable oil, a jar of caramel, a can of condensed milk, and a whole thing of whipped cream. And as you can see here, I'm putting in the ingredients like it's regular cake, and now you would just want to mix it up all the way until like there's no bumps and it's as smooth as it can possibly be. At this point, you would want to spread your mix evenly into the pan, and after that you would just pop it into the oven. And while you wait for that, you can mix your caramel and your condensed milk into a bowl, as you can see right here. Then you would just want to mix. Now you would want to take your crunch and take a spoon and smash it all up into pieces. At this point, your cake should be done, and you would want to use a fork to poke holes into your cake and use the condensed milk and spread it evenly. Make sure you fill up those holes with the condensed milk and the caramel. Next, you would want to take your whipped cream, put a whole tub in there, and spread it evenly. And if you need more, then by all means put some more. Then you would want to take your crunch and spread it all over your cake, and then just put however much you want. I put the whole bowl. Then you would want to take your caramel and your condensed milk and drizzle it all over the cake. I use the whole thing, but you don't have to. And then pop it in the freezer for an hour, and you would get your BTS cake. Thank you for listening and watching.